We are here at the mall in Highland Park, Illinois. This is an elevator I've always wanted to check out. And my good friend Sam here.
Well.
He's nice enough to take me here. This thing is cool. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Never seen this version of Dover button before. This thing is really cool. C.J. Anderson Florida. This is kind of creepy. Oop. Let's go back up.
Can I help you? The restroom. You need to go to the poo-poo.
Freaking Sam. It's like these windows unlock. This cab is really cool.